So this is my Winchester 4440. It's a half magazine, it's 5 rounds, sporting rifle, and it's actually a nickel finish on the barrel and receiver. The fore end here should be black, like the lever. Somebody polished that out before I bought it. And this is quite a rare firearm. It has the registered in US and foreign patent office marking, which meant it was made for export. And the serial number says that it was made in 1913. So extremely rare in Australia. Has the big buckhorn sights. That's my 4440 half magazine Winchester sporting rifle.